Okay, day 1. Welcome to my vlog. So, digital photography class. They said we could use anything, and I found this DigiComm from my mom. It's old, but it works. So, Alex, say hi to future us.
What's up, future us? Hope we graduate.
Yes, manifesting.
Manifesting.
This is Bicol University. It was established in 1969, and ever since, it's been producing a scholar ng bayan. It's chaotic, but in the best way. There's always something happening, something interesting.
Okay, wait. Info time. I don't want to get cancelled by our profs.
Right. So, the Bicol University is the University for Humanity for Sustainable Societies.
And the mission is to give advanced instructions in literature, philosophy, the sciences, and arts. Plus, it promotes scientific and technological research stuff. Basically, a lot. Look at the rare species, reviewing the core values before class.
Wait, I memorized this one. Productive scholarship. Transformative leadership. Distinctive character. Collaborative service.
For sustainable society. Welcome to Bicol University. Welcome to the College of Arts and Letters. Ang tahanan ng matatalino, matatapang, talentado, at magagaling.
This is where they make the future writers, performers, communication professionals, and cultural advocates. And it keeps evolving. The programs now are designed to match the demands of the industry and education while still being rooted in preserving our culture. You know what? I always wanted to be a journalist, a broadcaster especially. I thought I'd take BA journalism with broadcasting, but then I found out about BA communication. I mean, it's everything here. There's film, design, photography, sound, advertising, and even media studies. I didn't have to use just one version of myself. I could be all of them.
I also heard COMM could be a preload program, so that's a bonus. But really, communication is in everything. It's a jack of all trades. Nika's the creative type, I'm more of a logical guy. And we're both in COMM, and we both found what we love.
Hi! Hey Alex, look at the camera. How was your first photo walk experience?
I had such a great time. It really made me more aware of our surroundings and helped me see the beauty in simple, candid moments. Let's do this again soon.